Hello everyone. Welcome to your English class. How are you all children? Children, your half yearly exams are over and I'm sure all of you have done excellently well. Moving ahead with our syllabus, today we are going to start a poem named 20 Froggies. We are going to read and recite this poem. Now children, this poem 20 Froggies is about froggies. As the title says, you know what a frog is? Yes, चिल्ड्रन हैव यू सीन अ फ्रॉग? मेंढक जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं, आपने देखा है? आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट हैव सीन, स्पेशली when the rainy season is going on. The frogs are there hopping and jumping around your garden. You can see them on the streets also, and where there is a little water puddle, you can see them jumping around in the garden in the grass. So green color tiny little creatures are there. You must have seen. Yes, everyone has seen a frog. So now in this poem, there are 20 froggies. And what these froggies want to do? They are going to school. As we know, pandemic is going on. We are unable to go to school. But in this poem, as you can see children, the froggies have decided to go to school. So ये बहुत स्वीट सी पोएम है. जैसे हम लोग स्कूल जाते हैं वैसे ही यहाँ पे froggies are going to school and they are all ready. They are wearing neat and tidy uniforms. Their clothes are neat and clean and they want to reach the school on time. And now over there जैसे हमारे स्कूल में टीचर्स होते हैं, in the froggy school there is the headmaster frog. और उनको वो लोग क्या सिखाते हैं? Like we teachers teach you all students to read, write, learn. We teach you all the good manners, good values, है ना? लेकिन यहाँ पे जो फ्रॉगीज का स्कूल है वहाँ पे फ्रॉगीज को क्या सिखाया जाता है? टू जंप इन द पूल, टेक अ डीप डाइव, to be able to swim across. So all these things are taught in the froggy school, and all the teachers over there, the headmaster there, they teach the frogs all these things. So this is a special school. जैसे हमारा स्कूल है वैसे यहाँ पे फ्रॉगीज का स्कूल है एंड ऑल द फ्रॉगीज आर गोइंग देयर टू लर्न. So interesting poem is here for all of you. So now let us read. Let us find out what these froggies are planning to do in school. So are you all ready? Come on, so let us read. 20 Froggies. And this poem has been written by George Cooper. 20 froggies went to school down beside the lovely pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all neat and clean. We must be on time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Now you can see here, ये headmaster है. So headmaster is teaching all the 20 froggies. See? So now let's read further. Master Bullfrog. Now his name is Bullfrog. He's the master. His name is Master Bullfrog. Master Bullfrog, brave and stern, called the classes in their turn, taught them how to nobly strive, also how to leap and dive, taught them how to dodge a blow from the stick that bad boys throw. 20 froggies grew up fast, bullfrogs they became at last. So they all learn how to leap, how to jump and dive, and they are also taught how to dodge a blow. Dodge means अपने आप को कैसे बचाना है, to avoid something when boys are throwing sticks at them. जब हम लोग उनको तंग करते हैं, you can see some children are playing with the frogs. वो फ्रॉग्स को परेशान करते हैं. सो इस फ्रॉगी स्कूल में उनको इन सब चीज़ों से हैंडल करने को सिखाया जाता है. दे आर टॉट हाउ टू सेव एंड प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स. एंड फाइनली ऑल द फ्रॉगीज they grow up fast and all become just like their teacher, just like the bullfrogs. They all become very experienced. So this is the poem, a sweet poem about 20 froggies. Let's read it once again. 20 froggies went to school down beside the lovely pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all neat and clean. We must be on time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Master Bullfrog, brave and stern, called the classes in their turn, taught them how to nobly strive, also how to leap and dive, taught them how to dodge a blow from the stick that bad boys throw. 20 froggies grew up fast, bullfrogs they became at last. So, children, now you will also read the poem and try to learn. In the next video, I'll be explaining the poem and will be also discussing about the word meanings and the difficult words. Till then, take care. Bye for now.